In the quiet heart of the night, under a sky full of distant wishes, one soul sits and watches. He isn't looking for anything in particular, just looking. But sometimes, when you're not looking, something finds you. A tiny piece of the cosmos, choosing to fall, right where you are. A wish, caught between his paws. A silent hope, held close. In the warmth of its tiny light, the whole world outside this moment simply fades away. And just as quickly as it came, it's gone, leaving behind not a memory, but a feeling. A quiet peace. A reminder that even in the vast darkness, you are never truly alone.